Do I need to show people that this is what I carry around so that I can actually talk to people, you know? So, yeah. Hey guys. This is how we're doing makeup right now, wearing masks. Today's video is a very special one because I'm not going to be applying makeup on myself. So each time I don't apply makeup on myself, I'm like so happy because I get to play with like different complexion, different skin texture. And I'm so happy that I got Ciara right here. Ciara, speak Romanian. Speak Romanian.
Bună ziua! Cum sunteți?
Oh my god, Ciara is a hairstylist living in France, originally from Washington, D.C., that can speak English, French, and Română, which is my language. Isn't this crazy? Like, I don't know anybody here that made an effort to learn, you know, such an unpopular language, because Romanian is not like, you know, it's like an international language.
It's a beautiful language.
It is. It is. For those of you who don't know, Romanian is a Latin language. It's impressive.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
In today's video, I do this makeup on Ciara.
It's gorgeous.
I'm so happy you like it. Ciara is very feminine. She loves playing dress up and she always looks nice. Like right now she's coming from, you know, an appointment. Hope you will enjoy this video. Please make sure that you are following Ciara on her Instagram. She's showing a lot of things about Paris because she lives in Paris as well, but she's also showing things about her work. This is the makeup that I'll be creating on the beautiful Ciara. Let's get into it. I just took the makeup off that she already had on, and I was using a little bit of Bioderma, and then I was using a little bit of Vichy thermal water just to make sure that the residue of the micellar water is out. And I'm gonna use this Ole Henriksen Balancing Force Oil Control Toner on a cotton pad, and I gently dab it into the skin. Ciara has beautiful skin.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to move on with this Fenty Skin Fat Water. And I love this. It's like a mixture between a serum and a toner. That's how it feels. Fenty really simplified the skincare routine. And this is helping the skin looking more glowy. Does a very gentle exfoliation to the skin. You want to apply it with the press release type of motion, because when you press it, you know, and then you release it, your skin will absorb the product that is on top of your skin. And then I'll move on with the Fenty Skin Moisturizer. I love this system. I use about 3 pumps. This is great because it has SPF 30 without having the white cast. It makes a great base for your makeup. Look at that smile on her face. Next, I'm going to be using this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is such an amazing lip mask, and I like to use it at the beginning of the makeup so that it just moisturizes the lips. By the time I get to lipstick, they're going to be so nice and hydrated. And I always use a little bit on the back of my hand. Apply quite a, you know, a good layer. I'm going to be using the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in the color Coffee. Ciara has never used concealer ever. So it's like a new thing for her. Some Morphe M335 brush. Yeah, I'm looking for, it's better if you look like this. Baby, can you get me closer? Little bit. Again, I'm not using the concealer to hide anything. There's nothing really to hide. I just use it to like put like little light spots almost in a certain area. So between the eyebrows, like so, under the eyes, a little bit on the chin. I'm gonna use a tiny little sponge from Fenty. This one has a stain, but it's completely clean. Sometimes some blushes especially can stain the sponge. So I just go over it like so. In between the nose and the top lip, I'm going to apply the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep. Yeah, this is a much better color for her. Same, I will get it on the brow bone. Ciara, don't you fall asleep on me.
No, I'm just enjoying the moment.
I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish foundation in the color Deep 29. I'm taking it with the Il Maquillage 100 brush. Such a beautiful color on you. So I'm going to apply the foundation where I haven't applied concealer. Right, so at the base of the hairline, on the forehead. And then spreading it down the neck. This is looking really, really natural, this foundation. I'm using a tiny little brush. This is the Refer 12. And with the foundation, I'm going to very, very natural contour the nose a bit. Look in front. Taking my concealer brush. You've got such a cute little nose. So I'm going to set everything with powder, but first, just make sure the concealer is not creased. Okay, so I spread it again, and then I'm gonna use this. This is the Huda Beauty in Kunafa. That's the name of this color. And very, very gently, I'm setting the under eye area. Can you look in front? Thank you. What do you think your skin is like?
I would say combination.
Combination, right?
Yeah. I don't think I have oily skin.
Feels normal on the cheeks, maybe a little bit on the dry side. And you have like no pores. I mean, usually when the skin doesn't really have open pores, it means it's a normal type of skin. Bigger and the more open the pores are, the more oily that type of skin is. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use this Brow Pro palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I think I'm going to be in between the chocolate and ebony, but probably chocolate because it's a bit warmer. And I'll use the Anastasia Beverly Hills 7B brush. The best brush if you are applying powder product in your eyebrows. Can you look in front for a second? Yeah. I'm going to use the Glossier Brow Flick in Blonde. Yes, you hear me right. In Blonde. This is the blonde. Yeah, making sure it's blonde. It's blonde, okay? This is the blonde in Glossier. It's very like chocolatey. It's very warm. And I find it perfect for her skin. Look in front for a second. Okay, so you can see the difference in her eyebrows. I think it's the brow flick does an amazing job. With a flat 243 brush from MAC, I'm just going to use a little bit of that coffee concealer from Jouer. Just clean this part. Not everywhere. I don't like a super sharp look of the eyebrow, but just like here in the front. Yeah. Shiseido Kajal Ink Artist in the color Byroto Green. I love this color, you guys. Such a beautiful green, but on her looks fantastic. Check this out. And I will apply this all over the mobile lid. And then here at the end, I sort of like go after the lower lash line, the water line, okay? And I sort of follow it. And then I take a brush and blend it all. Blend the edges, blend it right here at the base. Taking a different brush. This is a Refer 13 brush. Look in front. I love this.
I love green.
This is a pretty dark green, but we're gonna come with something on top of it. I'm gonna use the same pencil on the waterline. With a pencil brush. This is a Sigma E30. I smudge it. Next is this absolutely amazing palette. This is the new Fenty Beauty palette in Money. And I'll use the same 13 brush from Refer and grab this color right here. It's such a beautiful green, you guys. Ooh, oh my god. Yes. So I use it a little bit, the beginning of the eye, inner corner, and then at the end, open. Look in front. And because we already have a base, that's just gonna pop.
Oh my gosh.
Like, I mean, seriously. What do you think
Who
of
is
her?
this? Is this me?
Yes, it's you.
It's like the real me is me. Right? Oh my, I'm in love. I'm in love.
I love that you love it.
Emerald, gem, stone, beauty.
Next color that I'll take is this one right here. Same brush, okay? We're using the greens right here. And I'm just gonna pop this like right in the center. Like so. I died. It's so incredibly beautiful.
Morgan, where are we going?
Love this.
Take me somewhere so people can see me.
I'm taking this gold with the Misa 96 brush and get it right in the inner corner. This is just... I'm gonna take this matte neutral color. This is like a neutral brown. I'll apply it right in here so it has a more smooth transition. We're gonna use a Fenty mascara. Do we use everything from Fenty? No. I'll take the Pat McGrath Permagel Liner. This is in Extreme Black, and I will apply it. Can you look down? At the base of the top lash. It's like tight lining it. This is such an intense black pencil. Look in front. Yeah. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Love it. This really is not sponsored by Fenty, I can guarantee you guys. But I just love these colors. And Ciara uses this on a daily basis. This is the Unveil. Unveil, right?
Yeah.
Unveil, and the other one is unbutton. I decided to make a mixture of the two. I'll be using this lip, cheek, and pillow talk. This is number 3 Intense. So I'm not very happy with the way the lips look. And I'm going to use this Morphe lipstick in True Story. And this is like a perfect brown, like a beautiful warm tone lipstick. Because the other one that I tried was a little bit like too pink, yeah. And that's not what I'm here for. I'm going to use this Becca lip gloss. God knows what color. Oh, I found it. Citrine. Yeah, because the lip need a little bit of hydration, like right here. And this is like a perfect color for her. I've noticed that you do like a little bit of color on your lips. Let me see. Yeah, this is definitely not exactly your thing. But I think with the look, it goes like even with the yellow that you have, it's very golden. Yeah, I like it. I'm going to use this Iconic London Illuminator in the color Glow Sweet. I'm just going to apply this with my fingers. I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray because I want this makeup to last. Although I don't know if she's going to go anywhere after this. Do you have places to go, Morgan?
Take me somewhere. Take me somewhere.
I'm dressed like that.
Not like that.
Listen, it doesn't matter for men. Only for women, I think. You could dress whatever.
Yeah, people only judge women.
They're like, poor him. He's just a guy.
Yeah. But look at her.
But look, exactly. Okay, guys, and this is the final look. I'm so happy with this look. Green is totally your color.
I love it. I love it. I can't contain the joy.
I'm so happy you liked it. You look beautiful with it. Can you like show us the glow? Yeah. She's so extra. I love it.
It goes so perfectly with the makeup, though.
It does. It does. And I didn't even know she had these earrings, you guys.
This is connection.
Yeah. Libra, fellow Libra right here. The truth is, I was incredibly tired. We were working all day today. We started to film this at what, 6 o'clock? Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. After we've been working all day. And I was like not feeling in the mood to
see your
do
own
a
face.
look. Yeah, because it's much harder to do my makeup than to do someone else's makeup for me. So thank you so much for accepting.
Thank you so much for pampering me. I feel very, very blessed.
Thank you. And thank you, Morgan, for waiting for us. Morgan is her husband. Don't forget to follow Ciara. I'll put her Instagram right here. And make sure you follow her. See everything that she does. She's out and about in Paris. or at least we're pretending.
We're whole bodies. But I do some things.
But go follow her. She has a French Friday. So on Fridays, she speaks French on her social media.
Thank you, Andrea.
Thank you. And see you in my next video. Bye. Next up, I'll be using this Shiseido.
Yes.
Morgan, we're filming.
No.
I just said that.
I'm very happy to have her. This is the third time I'm saying this, so I really mean it.
Okay. It's for coming from the heart.
Like, can you even imagine?
I'm having a full moment. Wow. I'm investigating my skin because this is what it looks. This is what your foundation is supposed to look like. Okay, I'm taking it all in.